17 years old, just going door to door.
We got the PurePave installed last summer, and to learn that PurePave and its resin that it's binded with is all eco-friendly, it was a serious plus. So that was our basically game plan. Try to get longevity and the look together, and with PurePave's functionality, honestly, we couldn't rave more about it.
I'm surprised it's been so long since a product like this existed. I think it's the perfect solution for a paving surface, for parking pads, for driveways. I care about the environment, and having this amount of water end up where it should be, in the ground, is important to me. Very happy with the product. The end result speaks for itself.
Eco-friendly, sustainable, winterized. The future is permeable. The future is